Welcome back guys, welcome to the new video of InfoDecoder where we decode the information and gain some useful insights. So today in this video we'll be discussing about Google Cloud Community Days in India and the information about some amazing perks is waiting for you. So let's begin. Before we begin guys, if you like the video, do hit the like button, share the video with your friends and subscribe to the channel. Also, do join our Telegram channel where we regularly post information regarding placements and internship opportunities. So let's get started. So first of all guys, those who don't know what is Google Cloud Community Days, so it is an event that is being organized by Google developer groups, and this time 10 Google developer groups have come together to organize this particular event. The theme of this event is Google Cloud. So in this event you will be learning a lot of things about Google Cloud. So there will be a lot of learning and lot of prizes. So let's see what you guys will be learning apart from Google Cloud. So there will be opportunity to learn regarding career development, ML AI part, and Google Cloud I've already told you. And apart from this, you can learn about DevOps and data engineering. So if you are a data engineer, if you are into DevOps, and if you are a ML enthusiast, and moreover, if you are seeking for a particular job opportunity, so this event is for you. So here a lot of elite speakers will gather and give you information regarding various events going on and what all happened in their lives, and also sharing their learning experiences with you. Apart from this, you will get to learn about various opportunities that are being present around the world. So you will get the opportunity to expand your network, connect with the speakers, and get the answer to your queries. So we will move to everything step by step. So first of all, let's see the schedule of this particular event. So first of all, if you want to attend this event, you need to make your schedule free on 22nd Jan and 23rd Jan, and the event will be starting from 4 p.m. Make sure guys you attend this event. It will be really beneficial for you. Also, this event is free of cost like other events of Google, so that's the very good opportunity for you, so that you can learn and gain something useful. Also, if you want to register for this event, I'll provide the link in the description below, so you can register for this event. So let's see the prizes and the takeaways that you will be getting from this event. As you can see that if you are a DevOps engineer, a application developer, a data scientist, and above all, if you are a learner, so there is something for you in this event. There is a big opportunity for you to learn, to practice, and to prepare for Google Cloud certifications. And Google Cloud certification helps a lot of individuals to get their jobs. Apart from this, Quick credits will be given to all the participants who registered for this event. So if you want to get your hands dirty on the Google Cloud and you don't have credits for that particular thing, so you can go and register for this event and you will definitely get the Quick credits. Also, there will be a unique chance for all of you to get Google Cloud certification sponsored by Google. Also, there is opportunity for all the job seekers. In this event, speakers will be revealing the opportunities available in various Google Cloud partner companies. So guys, do register for this event. And if you want to register for this event, you will have to go to this website and you will have to complete the registration form here. So guys, for registration of this event, you will have to fill this form. And if you are not associated with any Google community, no need to worry. You have to go here and you have to select others, and then you have to type here and there, because you are not associated with any Google community. If you are associated with the Google community, then you can type in here the community name. So this is how you can register for this particular event, and you can win some amazing prizes. Thank you guys, thanks for watching the video.